Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the student view of a returned assignment in Google Classroom. Once your teacher completes their evaluation, checking your dashboard is the easiest way to see your final score and read their personalized feedback. First, go to your Classroom tab and click on the assignment title that has been returned to you. Next, look down at the bottom of the card preview and click on View Instructions to open the main submission workspace. Now, review your evaluation results using these simple step-by-step section. Now, review your evaluation results using these simple step-by-step actions. First, look at the top left corner of the assignment page to view your official score. This will show you exactly how many points you earned out of the total value. Next, move your eyes over to the right-hand column under the Your Work panel to find the private comments section. This is where you can read the direct notes, corrections, or encouraging feedback written by your teacher. Then, if you need to reply or ask for a follow-up question about your marks, simply click inside the private comment box, type out your message, and click the arrow button to send straight back to your teacher. Finally, if your teacher wants you to correct your mistakes and try again, look inside the same right-hand panel and click on the Resubmit button. This allows you to update your attached files and turn the project back in so that it can be graded for a better score. And that's it! Thanks for watching!